Are you struggling with getting into trouble a bit too often? No worries, we've all been there. But today, we're changing the game. We've lined up some easy and super cool tips to help you stay out of trouble and make a great impression. From joining clubs to participating more in school activities, we're here to guide you through it all. It might sound like a bit of work, but trust us, the results are going to be amazing. So, are you ready to turn things around? Let's jump right in and discover how to keep things smooth and positive. Stay tuned, this is going to be fun. Alright, let's kick off with our first cool tip to keep trouble at bay. Join a sports team. It's not just about scoring goals or shooting hoops, it's about having a blast and making new friends. Whether it's soccer, basketball, or baseball, being on a team means you're part of something bigger. Don't worry, you don't have to be the next big sports star. It's all about playing the game, staying active, and having fun. Plus, you get to meet some amazing people along the way. Who knows, you might even find yourself leading the team someday, using your energy to inspire others. And hey, playing sports is not just good for your social life, it's great for your health too. It keeps you fit, helps you chill out, and makes sure you're spending your energy in the best way possible. So why not give it a try? Join a sports team and watch how it changes the game for you in all the best ways. Now, if sports aren't really your jam, no worries. There's another awesome way to keep yourself on track. Join a club. Clubs are super cool because they let you dive into what you really love, be it art, chess, cooking, or even debating. It's all about finding your passion and running with it. You see, when you're part of a club, it's not just about learning new things. It's about meeting people who share your interest, having fun, and yes, staying away from trouble. And the best part, you don't have to stick to just one. Try out a few different clubs and see which one feels right. Whether it's through your school, church, or a community center, there's a club out there that's perfect for you. So why not explore? Join a club or two and discover a whole new world of interests and friendships. It's an amazing way to focus on what really matters to you and keep your days filled with excitement and learning. Here's another fantastic idea to keep you on the right path: volunteering. It's not just about staying busy, it's about making a real difference and gaining some valuable perspective. When you volunteer, you get to see life from a new angle, especially after spending time with people who really need a helping hand. Whether it's teaching someone to read, sprucing up a local park, or lending a hand in a soup kitchen, volunteering opens up a world of good you can do. And don't worry if you think you're too young to volunteer alone. You can always join a parent or a guardian and make it a team effort. Finding a cause that means something to you and dedicating a bit of your time each week can be really rewarding. It helps you focus on the important things in life and keeps you grounded. Plus, it's a great way to contribute to your community and feel good about the impact you're making. So how about it? Try volunteering and see how it transforms not just those around you, but also you. It's a step towards a more caring, responsible, and fulfilling life. All right, let's talk about a super important way to stay out of trouble: being an active student. And no, this doesn't mean you need to ace every test. It's about the small things that make a big difference, like showing up on time, not skipping class, and raising your hand when you've got a question. When you focus on being a good student, you're too busy learning and growing to think about causing any mischief. It's all about participation and being present in your learning journey. And here's a cool idea: find a subject or two that really interests you. Dive into them and see how much fun learning can be when you're truly into it. Setting goals for your grades can be a great motivator too. You don't have to aim for perfection. Small improvements count a lot. Think about it. Maybe bumping your math grade from a B to a B+. These goals can keep you focused and give you a sense of achievement. So why not give it your best shot at being an active student? It's not just about the grades, it's about setting yourself up for success in school and beyond. Let's make learning fun and rewarding. Now let's turn the page to another fantastic tip: reading as much as you can. Think about it. When you're lost in a book, you're not just avoiding trouble, you're exploring new worlds and ideas. Reading is like a magic key that unlocks your imagination and takes you on incredible adventures, all from the comfort of your home. It's not just about entertainment, though. Reading regularly can seriously boost your vocabulary and comprehension skills. It makes you more knowledgeable and opens your mind to different perspectives. And the best part? You can start small, like reading for just 20 minutes before bed every night. Before you know it, this can turn into a lifelong, addicting habit. And don't just stick to one kind of book. Try a mix of genres, from science fiction to fantasy, historical novels to mysteries. This way, you get to discover what really captures your imagination. Who knows, you might find yourself in love with genres you never thought you'd enjoy. So why not grab a book and start your reading journey today? It's a simple, enjoyable way to stay out of trouble and enrich your mind at the same time. Let's turn those pages and see where they take us. And now for our final tip on staying out of trouble. Unleash your creativity. Think about it. When you're busy creating something, you're too engaged to even think about causing any mischief. Whether it's writing a play, crafting a story, drawing, or transforming your room into a rainforest, there's no limit to what you can create. Creativity is not just fun, it's a powerful way to use your energy positively. It allows you to express yourself, explore new ideas, and see the world in a unique light. And you know what? You might just surprise yourself with what you can come up with. If you're looking for more ways to get creative, how about joining an art class after school? Or maybe ask your art teacher for some cool project ideas. These activities are not just about learning new skills, they're about discovering your passions and talents. So why not start today? Pick a project, big or small, and dive into it. Let your imagination run wild and see where your creativity takes you. It's a fantastic way to stay engaged, productive, and yes, out of trouble. And that wraps up our guide on how to stay out of trouble by channeling your energy into positive activities. Whether it's joining a sports team, being part of a club, volunteering, diving into your studies, getting lost in a book, or unleashing your creativity, there are so many ways to make a change for the better. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And hey, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell us which tip you're excited to try out, or share your own ideas on how to stay out of trouble. Thanks for watching, and here's to making positive choices and living your best life. Until next time, keep being awesome.